Hello everyone, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I welcome all our panelists and all the viewers who are joining in. So today we've gathered together to discuss about our lockdown experience, an experience which we know we won't forget in the coming years also. And the reason why we're going to discuss our experience is to see how we coped up with the challenges that we faced. So we try to focus on how seeing things from Guru Nanak's lens helped us sail through these testing times. And as mentioned, we're talking about Guru Nanak Dev Ji. His principle of Vand ke chhakko is something that we should abide by. And if there's even any little part of his wisdom that we've been able to tap in, it becomes a duty to put it across. So before we start with our experiences, let's have our panelists introduce themselves. So we'll start with you, Kavya.
Hi everyone. So I'm Kavya Jain and I'm 22 years old. I'm right now studying in London and I'm studying MA Media and Communication from Kingston University, London.
Thank you, Kavya. Gurjas.
Hello everyone. My name is Gurjit Singh and I'm from Bombay. I'm 19 years old. I'm first year BME student. I'm doing Bachelor's of Management Entrepreneurship from ISME, Mumbai.
Thank you, Gurjas. Prableen.
Hi everyone, my name is Prableen and I am doing MSc in Botany from Punjab University, Chandigarh.
Thank you, Prableen. Simarjeet.
Hi everyone, my name is Simajit Singh and I'm 20 years of age and I'm currently in my second year and I'm studying civil and environmental engineering.
And Gurmehar.
Hi everyone, my name is Gurmehr and I am 15. I'm currently pursuing my career in arts from St. Xavier's College, Fort Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you, Gurmehar. So let's start with our experiences, and I'll start with mine. So COVID happened, and it was my first time introduction to this word pandemic. So the pehle lagta si ki something just happening in China until there was a camp that was supposed to happen in the March second week, so cancel ho gaya. I thought ki it's just a hawa, it's all in China right now. But when it came here and it got cancelled, tad realized hoya ki okay, it is actually a thing. And when the earlier cases started coming, so the first case here, like one of the earliest cases, were in my department. So वो fear ये लगता कि maybe we are also the carriers वाली feeling. But it started with so much fear कि what will happen next. Our colleges stopped suddenly. One thing which was the golden lining in all of it was कि I passed my semester without studying. I didn't have to appear for my final exams, and that was one good thing. But even that apart, so my lockdown was leisure for me. Utho, waking up at any time, sleeping at any time, chilling with my family. So in a nutshell, it was all leisure because I thought it was going to be a month or maximum 2 months, so I should make the best out of it. Ki abhi nahi soi to kab soi wala was something which I used to discuss with my friends. If now I don't make the best out of it, then when else will I do that? But I didn't know it will get so deterring for me. एक महीने तक ठीक से गा for 1.5 months it was fine, but after some time it started feeling like what am I doing with my life? Like ये हो क्या रहा है? Like just waking up at any time, going with the flow isn't suiting me anymore. So I started facing a lot of the feeling कि I'm not being productive anymore. बाहर देखो जहाँ देखो सब everybody was doing something or the other, and I started feeling कि I'm not doing anything for myself, and कि just कोई family से कितना time spend कर लो. It just started feeling initially कि they're always around us कि ना कहीं बाहर जाना. Even I started missing getting late to my classes कि निकलने को तो मिलता था. But in all of this, one thing I realized was that gratitude was see कि I was with my family, I was with my loved ones, and I know here we have people who weren't with their family. So I'll pass it on to you, Kavya. You share your experience with our viewers. Ki how was it for you since you weren't with your family?
Yeah, so as Harnoor, you just said it that कितना मुश्किल था हम सबको कोप अप करना अपनी रूटीन्स के साथ. हमारी रूटीन तो मतलब मानो लाइफ ऊपर से नीचे हो गई थी, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा था. So my lockdown experience was also not so good, definitely, because I had to come back from London in an emergency. Like जब मैं emergency बोल रही हूँ तो मेरा कहने का मतलब सच में emergency था, because I didn't know कि मैं घर पहुँच भी पाऊंगी या नहीं पहुँच पाऊंगी. First of all, that was a very big challenge that I was facing. It has been a roller coaster ride, and एक जगह से unsettle होना I had planned a trip to Europe. Hello.
By mistake हो गया था. Continue.
Yeah, so my passport was not with me because I had planned a trip to Europe. And एक दिन लॉकडाउन से पहले पता चलता है कि अगर हम इंडिया हमको जाना है तो हमें वापस जाना पड़ेगा ऑन द स्पॉट, वरना हमारी खुद की कंट्री हमें घर आने नहीं देगी. एंड उस टेंशन में मुझे कैसे भी करके एक एम्बेसी से दूसरी एम्बेसी, 3 कंट्रीज के बीच में आई वाज फाइटिंग, लंदन, इंडिया एंड देन यूरोप, एंड इधर उधर जा रही हूँ. अपना पासपोर्ट कैसे भी करके आई मैनेज टू गेट माय पासपोर्ट, एंड देन आई केम बैक 1 hour बिफोर द लॉकडाउन. सो यू गाइस कैन इमेजिन द टेंशन एंड द स्ट्रेस कि मुझे कैसे 1 hour लिटरली, और ये चांसेस थे कि हो सकता है दैट in the air only the flight might turn back to London and I might not be allowed entry in my country. So yeah, and it was very unsettling because मुझे कभी इतना यहाँ रहने की आदत नहीं थी एक जगह पे. एंड आई केम बैक एंड आई हैड टू क्वारंटीन, ऑब्वियसली होम क्वारंटीन करना पड़ा. एंड इन दोज 14 days का क्वारंटीन I realized that I got diagnosed with clinical anxiety and depression. And that I will say, obviously it was bad and it is bad, but it can also be a good thing because मुझे पता चला that I've been suffering from something which requires immediate attention and treatment. So lockdown एक तरह से pause था मेरी life के लिए, mental health के लिए, because I got to
I think Kavya's video is lagging. Is she there? Okay, I think so. Kavya, since Kavya, I don't know, kya connection issue hai. So apart from Kavya, we have Simranjeet with us, who we know has had a similar story. So over to you, Simranjeet. You share your experience.
Yes. So as Hanu mentioned, I had kind of similar experience as Kavya. I too was in UK at that time studying and at my university when this new word started coming out, coronavirus. And फिर थोड़े देर बाद COVID-19 just started initiating. And at first I was just I was easy with it. I was like, कोई ना, एक नया virus है, China है, अंदर अंदर है, कोई ना. But I didn't know that it would be such a huge pandemic that lockdown आ जाऊगा, this and that stuff. So I had initial confusion whether or not to go back home or stay, because my university said that they will still continue functioning even if there is COVID, even if half the country is closed down because of COVID, but they will still continue studying. So I had to choose, should I go home or should I stay here? So I chose staying here in the UK, and I guess that was a bad decision, because the thing is that जिवें ही लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ और 2 दिन बाद my university closed down and I had to stay in my 6-meter long room. That's it. And I didn't know when will I stay until, so that uncertainty was also there. But yeah, during COVID, there were a lot of experiences that I saw from my own eyes. First thing was my examination hall was turned into a local hospital, and with 400 bed spaces. And we couldn't leave our dorm rooms because of that, because a hospital see naal, it was just 100 meters away and I couldn't leave. So that was there. And because hospital C, we had we had the army, the British army, stay right opposite our dorm. So the study buildings they were the bilkul opposite the British army staying over there, and we could see them march every morning around 5 a.m. and their helicopters, landed on our football field. And that's an experience, I would say. I have like my gallery filled with those pictures. So yeah, and after that, after the university closed down, I started missing, rushing towards my classes just 2 minutes before. I used to leave at 8:58 and my classes used to start at 9. So coffee fuddy, and I used to just run. So I used to miss those days as well. And yeah, COVID happened. I had to stay in my lockdown. I heard many stories that before lockdown, my friends they were leaving to go back home. And as Kavya said, that lockdown initiated, she didn't know agar wapsi aa jande, then I had to many of my friends left and they were turned back around in the airport. They were like, you can't go because lockdown is initiated, and they had to go back 3 hours back to the university. And during this time I also started missing sangat, because I used to go at least 3-4 times in a week. My university to bahar nikalda si, I used to go to city center, do vari gurdware ho anda si, used to spend like 3-4 hours over there, seva, kirtan, stuff like that. And then suddenly when everything just stops, it just you start missing a lot of stuff. So I started missing sangat, and I also felt lonely because again I couldn't leave my room. So I also started missing sangat because of that. And I had my birthday all planned. It was in April, the Easter holiday see 4 Dindi, and my birthday was right in the middle of it. I was really happy with it. I had all the trips planned, with those see, everything was planned. It was so cheap, everything was so good. But then COVID aa gaya, te sara birthday plan that tight fish ho gayi. I couldn't go, and I had to stay in my room, nothing. But I was glad that my friend at least surprised me with a birthday cake. I still don't know how did they manage to get a birthday cake in amidst the lockdown, but I'm just grateful for that. And yeah, during this lockdown, I also learned a lot of new things, which from new skills, enhancing new skills, and a lot of different stuff as well. And when lockdown finally finished in UK and my country, I'm from Dubai, so Dubai started. They also finished the lockdown, and they were like, okay, you can come back. So it was 7th of July that they said you can come back, and my flight was on 10th. So I finally came back home, had 2 days of quarantine, had a painful yet enjoyable COVID test. I don't know why I'm saying enjoyable, but thoda jasi, I don't know why. And finally being in Sangat, and that joy was on a different level. And then Rahao happened. So yeah.
Somewhere we all understand the challenges that you're talking about. And since Kavya is back, I'd want that Kavya, you were completing your experience. So go ahead with that, which it all stopped.
Said that chahe hello.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah. So I was just concluding, main thing is that no matter that every lockdown was bad for everyone, but if it wouldn't happen, I wouldn't have gotten the chance to, realize that something needs my attention. And it was a roller coaster ride. And then Rahao happened, as Sima said. And I'm still healing. Obviously, things didn't change overnight, but yeah, at least something happened, and it really helped me come out of it. And I'm still dealing with it, but it's good, like learning, talking to new people and knowing new people.
Nice. Thank you, Kavya, for sharing your experience. Gurmehar, we'll start with you now.
As for me, my lockdown experience started with a full shock. It was like I never, just as Harnoordi said, this new words which were coming up: lockdown, pandemic, curfew. It was like, what is happening? I thought the world's end has come up, and I was so scared because I didn't want to die so early. I'm a teenager yet, so all these words came across, and all these words kept scaring me, kept bothering me. Inside me, I had this little part which was always scaring me, always bothering me inside, and that was that was also because I had my vacations planned, because this was my post SSC. 10th stand after 10th standard, I had almost 6 months of vacation. So I thought, idhar jana hai, udhar jana hai. But then after this corona, there's a big pause to everything. All shops were shut. There was police vans coming down. So all of that used to always scare me. So after few days, my routine was also getting spoiled, just like all of us. It happened to me also. My routine was like only like eat, sleep, and repeat, as they say. It was only that. And then uh, and after my routine being spoiled, it was just, I guess, 1 week my routine got spoiled. And then after that, I thought, I took a pause कि मतलब I was going down and down with my routine. So I just took a pause. I wondered, okay, this is a time भगवान ने एक ब्रेक दिया है, कुछ अच्छे के लिए होगा, कुछ एक टाइम दिया है. It is self time with your family. He has locked you up inside your house. So there might be something great in that. He must have thought before blessing us with this lockdown. So I thought कि इस लॉकडाउन में सो तो सब रहे हैं, खा पी सब रहे हैं, रोज स्टोरी डालते, सब करते हैं. But what is that one thing which will make me different from others, which I do in this lockdown? So then I came across new skill development courses, which includes poetry writing, article writing, creative writing, and then I indulged into productivity. I learned cooking too, as all of us did. Like then I even learned a foreign language, Spanish, and now I can. And now when I look back and connect the dots, I am like, yes, मैंने कुछ कर लिया लॉकडाउन में. Because whenever others किसी को भी पूछो ना, they are like, हाँ हमने तो खाया पिया सोए बस मजे किए. But when I say what I did in lockdown, I have a whole list of things which I did. I even learned art. I made paints, and canvas wasn't available in shops. So I made homemade colors, homemade paints. So that was all like एक challenging situation में भी तुम अपने आप को कैसे train कर सकते हो अच्छी चीजों के लिए. That I learned. And then after that, how came, like my relative told me to join this course, because at some point of time I was like कि skills तो बहुत सारे सीख लिए, but actually when it came to emotional stability, emotional management, I was not that comfortable with that part, because I used to get angry, frustrated, because at the end of the day, I was always locked up inside my house, no going out, nothing. So I had this thing in my mind which was always bothering me. I used to get frustrated. So then I joined Rahao, and post that I felt a bit comfortable. And this was how my lockdown experience was, with many fluctuations. Thank you.
Yeah, so for me, it was similar as Gurmeher. Like initially, it was not that good because garbage band hai, kuch kar nahi sakte. Frustration was going on, anger was there, loneliness was there. So it was happening initially. So my story starts like in 28th March, I completed my HSC board, and 25th I had a flight with my nani ji to Amritsar. I don't know किधर तो आ गया corona जिनने बेड़ा घर करता. Like the whole flight was cancelled. I was like, okay, initially it was 10 days, then it was 1 month, and then the plan was cancelled. Now I was at home. I was like, ki kara, kuch nahi kar sakta. I was crying. I was like angry, and car which बैठ बैठ के irritation हो गई सी. So I used to tell my elder brother like about my what I'm facing and everything. So he used to like tell me कि इस तरह करो, इस तरह करो. He used to help me a lot. So the fun fact is like the Rahao came to me, it was in midnight. So he actually called me like there's a camp is going on of Rahao. You have to join. It's very good, and it's like it will build you and during this these tough times. So Rati 12 baje he actually enrolled me, and I started joining Rahao. And Rahao, what should I tell about it? Like it actually changed me. Like the basic concepts and the basic things in as per Guru Mat, like ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਰਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. With the help of Rahao, I could understand, and half of my lockdown went pretty well, and like it was a calm and good part. And the fun fact is like I gave my entrance test, everything was went well, I passed, I got admission in my college. But the sad part is it being a second semester has started, but not now. Like I have not seen my campus. Like उन तक अपना campus ही नहीं देखा. Like उन तक वो नुक्कड़ ही नहीं देखी कि रोज जावा. Like I don't know anything about my campus and my college, nothing. So this was my experience basically.
So as Gurjas mentioned कि उसने अपना college भी नहीं break, it is exactly opposite for me. So it was my last year of graduation and I was really nervous when the lockdown got. So in the start I was happy कि चलो much needed break, सारे break चल दिए. I was happy. I thought it would be for a week or so. So but जिद्दां ही extend होता गया lockdown, उदा ही मैंने feel होया कि मेरे last year of graduation है ते I was nervous कि ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ अगर all of a sudden exams announce हो गए. I was not ready for it. So but the biggest challenge that I found was my routine. So being a early to bed and early to rise person, I always used to think कि I will also get up till late night like my friends do. The lockdown brought that change also into me. So I started watching Netflix movies till late night. I used to uh, 2, 3 sleep. One day I slept 5 a.m. So my family also thought ki hogi gaya. But then it started bothering me. The initial few days were fun. पर फिर मैं सोचा कि नहीं ये ठीक नहीं है. ते then Rahao came and it helped me to be productive and also utilize my time effectively.
So I see for all of us, our experiences like ethe downfall and then Rahao and then it's all uphill. But as Prableen mentioned about the routine getting spoiled, I think she's talked about one of the, like I relate to her totally and I know her. So she's never been she's always been she's been early to bed, early to rise. So je oh 5 baje tak jaag rahi hai, I remember the latest I've been up was 8 a.m. and my family uthi and I'm going to sleep and they're wondering what exactly happened. But here I want to highlight ki let us see ki challenges ki see. So Prableen has focused on how her routine got spoiled and I say it's the same, completely same for me. Sabto vadda challenge for me was to have a routine wherein as I mentioned before, I was going with the flow कि आज जो मेरा दिल कर रहा है. I don't know how many series have I seen, but I was seeing it initially कि अच्छा it's a chill time I deserve, but after that it wasn't what I wanted. There was no routine. There is no deadline कि I have some assignment or I have somewhere to go or to meet somebody. So it was all up to me. The car बैठ के I couldn't make a routine for myself, and that started kicking in when I realized that the half part of the day, even if I've slept for more than 8 hours, I'm just yawning because I'm doing nothing, and that is the result of it. I'm just tired the whole day. So not having a routine was one big problem. Second was कि productively कुछ हो ही नहीं पा रहा. See, even when the classes started, the online classes शुरू हुई हैं, I realized I can't focus. That the whole focus of productivity sigi nahi, that level of efficiency chali gayi thi because I had not done anything. So these were like very big challenges for me. And lastly was Sangat. Kyunki I realized that before, if I see pre-COVID, every week, yeah, every Sunday Amrit Vela, kuch na kuch, any way or the other, I was meeting Sangat. I was in constant touch with him. They oh sab hil gaya. So for me, that was like one chatka ki now I wasn't getting to be with the Sangat that I wanted to be.
I guess mere experience, when I was explaining my experience, I would have listed a range of different problems and challenges, but I would focus on the main ones right now. जिਵੇਂ हरनूर ने कहा about Sangat. So I too can relate to it because as mentioned before, I used to go Maharaj Di Kripa Sadka. I used to go to Gurdwara Sangat at least twice, weekly, and plus साडी उधर एक Sikh society होती थी in which we used to do weekly Simran Jap or Seva, different kind of Sevas, and I used to feel really good because one thing can be Sangat can be a stress buster, but since Sangat and Seva can be stress buster, but since the lockdown happened, I started missing Sangat a lot, and that the effect we hoya see about missing Sangat because now every Saturday Sunday I would just stay at home, do nothing, or just basically binge watch Netflix or something like that. So that integral part of my life was somewhere missing. And then came on loneliness as well because again, if you're only stuck in a 6 meter long dorm room, I'm stating again 6 meter long because it was exact 6 meter long. So a 6 meter long which dorm room, which what can you do? You can either just stay on your bed, watch Netflix, and just cook food, eat. That's it. कुछ कर नहीं सकते. So that loneliness was also there. I started missing my friends because I used to, roam around with them at least once or twice a week. I started missing my family. I started missing going to just university, which was just 1 or 2 minutes away. And all in all, I just felt a bit lonely. But I was glad that like the virtual meeting ho sakti thi. I could talk to my friends at least via Zoom, my family at least via Zoom, Skype, and stuff like that. But somewhere or the other, that loneliness was still there, I would say.
Yeah, so as Simarjeet said, like he was loneliness, and similar I faced like ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਈ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਐਟ ਹੋਮ ਐਂਡ ਵਿਦ ਯੋਰ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਬਟ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਸੋ ਐਂਡ ਦ ਥਿੰਗ ਵਾਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਆਈ ਵਾਸ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਮਾਈ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ because we just finished up 12th standard boards and we were like in a plan banaye sir and thing was like we have to stay home like I see every day we used to Zoom call but kinna karange thing was that. And second thing I faced a lot was basically uh, peer pressure of Zoom calling. So thing was like I'm now like as I've joined in my new college so ਉੱਥੇ ਹਰ ਰਾਤੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ like 11 ਵਜੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ Zoom meeting. It used to end by 4 o'clock 5 o'clock and I'm early to bed and early to rise person. मैं नहीं कर सकता and they used to call me like every day like 10 3 13 missed calls every day that you have to join, you need to socialize and this and that. And I was like, and whenever I used to go there for a hour or 2 hours always there used to be a corona, like corona के cases बढ़ गए घट गए ये and that, and it used to be like it used to create so much negativity like I cannot take it like वो mind अंदर चलता रहता and it was not good at that time. And the social media also at that time was not good, like media also was showing about corona then and the second thing was like in the Instagram the people were like आज मैं workout कर रहा हूँ आज मैं कुछ बना रहा हूँ. I was like मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ like the productivity was not going on and I was feeling that's why I was getting frustrated and it was not going well at that time.
So as Gurja said, that negativity was spread around every, like I would say, public domain. Even I saw, like I could feel the negative energy coming inside me from the news. I would say the rising corona cases, which they were telling us about, and somewhere where people are gathering, and then they used to show that, and they actually scared me because I was initially scared, and after this the news coming up, it scared me even more. So this filled a lot of negativity inside me. This negative energy was like getting collected, and then it was going to my brain, and I started overthinking. This was a major challenge which I faced during the lockdown, which was overthinking. My brain was like, हाँ इतने केस बढ़ गए, इस हमारी बाजू वाली सोसाइटी में आ गया, इस बिल्डिंग में है, उस बिल्डिंग में है. एवरी टाइम दिस यूज्ड टू रिवॉल्व अराउंड माय माइंड. आई यूज्ड टू ओवरथिंक. एक छोटी सी बात को आई यूज्ड टू टेक समवेयर एल्स, एंड देन इट यूज्ड टू स्पॉइल मी ओनली. इट यूज्ड टू स्पॉइल माय माइंड ओनली. एंड देन one was overthinking, and the other thing which I was I was facing as a major challenge was that I couldn't manage my emotions properly because of overthinking. Also, at times, if you are thinking something really negative, you become a bit frustrated, a bit angry from inside. And at that time, if a person comes and asks you, "Khana kya khayega?" and something like that, you get totally freaked out, and you like tend to shout at that person. After some time, you feel sorry to them, but still, that moment was like, I used to get angry on little things. I used to get triggered out of everything. Sometimes I used to become very sad. फिर अचानक से कभी उठ के dance करने लग जाना. It was totally a mix-up of all emotions. So I would say these two are the biggest problems, and I think they are interrelated. Overthinking की वजह से my emotions were also getting mixed up, and even I didn't know what I was doing. So these were my challenges which I faced.
I would like to add to that I guess we all went through a emotional turmoil. कभी मतलब इतना स्ट्रेस, क्योंकि कभी किसी ने नो वन हैज एवर एक्सपीरियंस दिस थिंग कि कभी हुआ नहीं है, और कभी किसी के साथ भगवान ना करे हो भी ना ऐसा इतना जो सबके साथ हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया है. The biggest challenge that I personally faced would be, of course, getting diagnosed with anxiety, clinical anxiety and depression. So एक चीज जो हमने realize की इस lockdown की वजह से, that the challenge that came out, that mental illness का importance बढ़ गया and mental illness सामने आने लगी and people became more, thankfully people became more acceptable. I think अगर लॉकडाउन शायद नहीं होता, वही जैसे मैंने पहले बोला, then it would have become more very very difficult for me even to face it and realize that I'm going through something. So depression initially जब आया, lockdown हुआ 15 दिन, as I said, told you guys, I was in isolation. So that lonely time, as you guys said, obviously friends नहीं थे, कोई नहीं थे, and I had to stay away from my family. मैं already 8 महीनों के बाद इंडिया वापस आई थी, and I had to stay, घर आके भी मैं घर वालों से नहीं मिल पाया. I had to stay alone on this floor, and it was so like so strange. जैसा कभी फील ही नहीं हुआ और ऐसा लगा ही नहीं था कि कभी ऐसे लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस करना भी पड़ेगा. एंड डिप्रेशन एंड एंजाइटी की अब इतना एंजाइटी हो गया, आई टेल यू गाइस दैट आई यूज्ड टू फेस सो मच फिजिकल सिम्टम्स ऑफ अब क्या होगा, नाउ व्हाट, कल क्या होगा, कल पता नहीं न्यूज में क्या आ जाए, कल क्या देख लें, कल पता नहीं कैसे हो जाए, कितना लॉकडाउन और बढ़ेगा, वापस जा पाएंगे या नहीं जा पाएंगे. And the other thing that came through all of this time was fear of uncertainty. कि कल पता नहीं, as I said, कि पता नहीं अब क्या कैसे करेंगे, अब क्या होगा, कोरोना ठीक होगा कि नहीं होगा, 1 साल लगेगा, 2 साल लगेंगे, पता नहीं कब वापस जाएंगे, 1 महीना. इनिशियली एज यू गाइस सेड कि पहले तो ऐसे लग रहा था ना 10 दिन है, सबने लाइटली लिया कि चलो ठीक है 10 दिन है, 1 महीना है, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा, इन्नी कोई गल नहीं. बट देन बढ़ते 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 न्यूज में भी देखा, सोशल मीडिया में भी देख रहे हैं, हर कंट्रीज में इतने सारे लोग मर रहे हैं. इट वाज बिकमिंग लाइक अ जैसे मेरे लिए तो ना इट वाज बिकमिंग सो टॉक्सिक. आई टेल यू, जैसे कोई डाइट कर रहा होता है ना और उसके सामने केक ला के रख दो, तो ऐसा हो गया था मेरे लिए. दैट न्यूज बिकेम दैट केक फॉर मी. दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डील विद एंजाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन, एंड एट द सेम टाइम पीपल आर जस्ट फीडिंग मी. अच्छा मैं आज ये कितना, मैं आज वो कितना, आज न्यूज में वो हुआ. इट वाज फुल ऑफ ऐसे साइक्लोन आ गया था इमोशंस का. इतना चैलेंजिंग रहा. आई एम श्योर अब सबके साथ भी ऐसे ही हुआ होगा, बट डेफिनेटली इट वाज अ वेरी challenging phase that we'll remember for rest of our lives, I guess.
I think if we see, so from loneliness, from missing Sangha to the fear of uncertainty, emotional stability, anxiety, these challenges I think we've all faced. किसी ना किसी मतलब लगा लो किसी दा घट है किसी दा वध है, but it was there. It was always there. So now let us see how we did something about it. And I'll start with you, Kavya, because since you talked about anxiety and depression, and I think this is something, the issues related to anxiety and depression did come out a lot in lockdown. It's very important to know ki what exactly did you do to sail through this. It was a testing time, I'll say. For you it was a lot more than us, but what did you exactly do?
Thank you for asking that question, Arun. Firstly, I would like to say that, guys, remember one thing, that talking about it is very important, as we all are doing right now. जैसे हम अभी कर रहे हैं बात, that helped me a lot because I came out to my parents that I'm suffering from something. I came out to people, I reached out people, and then what initially helped me obviously was therapy. हम लोगों के दिमाग में ऐसा गलत ख्याल है कि थेरेपी सिर्फ वही लोग करते हैं या लेते हैं जो पागल होते हैं, जिनको कोई प्रॉब्लम है. बट आई वुड रियली लाइक टू ऐड वन थिंग दैट this depression and anxiety can happen to anyone, and problems can come in any way in life. It's just that how we deal with it. So cognitive therapy is one thing, baat karna, that helped me to deal with my emotions. And second thing is, as we all know, nature is a great healer. So I started with plant therapy. मैं नई नई नर्सरीज अपनी सिटी में ही मैं देखने लग गई और कांटेक्ट उनसे किया मैंने. इनिशियली जब थोड़ा सा लॉकडाउन लूजन अप होने लग गया तो वो थोड़ा सा स्मॉल बिजनेसेस का बड़ा चलने लग गया कि ले लो. सो आई थिंक आई बॉट हाफ ऑफ द फार्म, एंड देन थोड़े छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स लिए, प्लांट थेरेपी आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग, एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड पेंटिंग. एज गुरमेहर मेंशन, स्किल्स डेवलप करना बड़ा जरूरी है यार, ये पता चल गया लॉकडाउन में. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा आर्ट थेरेपी किया, एंड देन आई लाइक माय डैड टोल्ड मी दैट उनके फैक्ट्री वगैरह में से बहुत लोग हैं जो डेली वेज अर्नर्स थे और उनको खाना रोटी तक बंद हो गई है. सो आई डिसाइडेड दैट हेल्पिंग पीपल वुड बी, सेवा could be one of the biggest reasons that हम कर सकते हैं. Last but not the least, definitely is meditation. Guys, trust me on that. Meditation चाहे तुसी जितनी बार भी कर लो कम कट है. 2 बार मैंने तो रूटीन बना लिया है. सच्ची में मैंने लिख लिया है कि दिन में 2 बार करने ही है. कि और मेडिटेशन का मुझे बेसिकली पता, सुना तो सबने होता है कि मेडिटेशन है. ये मेडिटेशन का मुझे रहाव ने से मिला है. सो रहाव ऑब्वियसली, एज यू ऑल नो दैट इट हैज चेंज फॉर एवरीवन. रहाव से मुझे एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला वेयर आई कुड टॉक अबाउट माई प्रॉब्लम्स, और उत्थे मैनू ये पता चला कि आई एम नॉट अलोन. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनको शायद मेरे जैसी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं और जो सफर करते हैं. एंड रहाव कोर्स made me realize the importance of meditation and the emotions नो अपने किस तरह मैनेज करना है, डिसीजन मेकिंग, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, वो सारी बातें हमें पता चलती हैं जो शायद हम इग्नोर करते रहते हैं नॉर्मल लाइफ में, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो थैंक्स टू राव, एवरीवन एट राव टीम. आई विश आई कुड लाइक, अभी भी हम मिल नहीं पा रहे ऑफ कोर्स, बट काश अगर सामने होता तो वो उसका अलग ही मजा होता. बट थैंक्स टू जूम, डेफिनेटली. So that will be all for me.
Thank you, Kavya. And she mentioned about Rahul and Seva, and I think still elaborate karna banda because I resonate 100% to her. So, but because Rahul, inna we've used the word, it's important for the viewers to know ki what exactly is the Rahul course. So, it's a course which was started in the lockdown by Basics of Sikhi by Game of Life, wherein so this course is curated for different age groups. Har age group वास्ते ऐसा एक course हैगा the Rahul course. But जो the मूल है, the importance, the main लगा लो motive behind the Rahul course is to make us more mindful and aware of ourselves. इस platform जो we get through Rahul, we are able to understand our emotions better, work towards them, to manage them. And somewhere Rahul gives us the toolkit ਹੁੰਦਾ ना कि toolkit पर आती है, and you can solve your problems. That is what Rahul did to us. So wherein it was a platform where we talked about the common problems, and COVID was one of them. Ki us wele uncertainty, fear, nothing was positive in the COVID time until when I attended Rahau, it was upside down after that. एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला जिसने देखा कि ओके सो वी आर ऑल सेलिंग इन द सेम बोट. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड, मैनू उत्ते कोई दस रहा कि दिस इज व्हाट यू शुड डू, दिस इज हाउ यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू शुड प्रोसीड इन योर लाइफ. Baki Rahau course, it helps you understand the relevance of Gurbani in your day-to-day life, and it is very important. पढ़न नाल तो समझन जो फर्क, the gap we feel ना, that वो gap चलेगा when I started, when through the Rahau course, when we touched upon Gurbani and we saw कि it has such a powerful effect in our day-to-day life, and it was the platform where I could talk about my problems anytime. So that is what Rahau course is in a nutshell. And that is all, everything also that Rahau is given to me. Apart from this, as Kavya talked about Seva, so being with the, with working with Basics of Sikhi online helped me, be it Kiddie Sangat and everything. Internship was one added, it was everything after Rahau. And it's all of us, we're here because we're interning with Mission Rahau. And so then in the internship, as we all know, we create posts, we talk about social issues, and we create content accordingly. That was the perfect mix for me to spend my time productively and to also do something that I like. Only kar rahe just baki sare kar rahe hain ki everybody is doing workout hi karna. That is also important, but not going behind what jo sare kar rahe hain. I got to do something which I wanted to do, and I could literally use my time effectively. It is through Basics of Sikhi working here that I got to be with Sangat. And that was one thing that I was just like looking for. That is what happened to me. So this has all helped me.
So yeah, as Hanu mentioned about Sangat as well, I can connect with that, saying that in this lockdown, which as mentioned previously, Sangat, I missed a lot. But not touching a lot on it, I would say that I was very blessed to have online Sangat, because it was not only me, a lot of people they couldn't go to gurdwaras and they couldn't be physically in sangat. So they all started online sangat, ਜਿਹਦੇ which we used to have darshan of Maharaj, kirtan sunde si, sukhmani sahib, the part hunda si, amrit vele katha vichar hundi si. And I was very blessed to have online sangat during that time. And I would say that loneliness had me connect more with Maharaj, because I could now just think about myself, do part. There was a time when I finished Rahas Sahib in 45 minutes because it was feeling so lovely just sitting there doing that. ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਤੁਕ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੰਗਤ ਤੋਂ ਇੰਨਾ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਥਾ ਵਿਚਾਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਇੰਨਾ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ that this ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ, there's a ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਤੁਕ as ਮਿਲ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਹੋਵਤ ਪਰਗਾਸ. That means joining the sangat we are enlightened, we get a lot of knowledge and our soul connects with our body. So I feel sangat I was very happy to have online sangat in my life. But moving on to loneliness now, during this loneliness that I faced, I learned a lot of new things because I didn't want to waste the whole day watching Netflix, ek series pura ek din khatam karna. I didn't want to do that because I could see myself going down. So I tried to engage myself in learning new skills and enhancing the old ones. So firstly, I started waking up at Amrit Vela. That was one thing that was really good for me. And I started doing Gurbani calligraphy. Tried doing English calligraphy. Started writing poems. Tried some exercises because I couldn't go outside to do exercises, so why not home? Learned some Adobe products like Photoshop, Illustrator. Learned animation skills, editing skills, and even enhanced my cooking skills as well. I finally competed with my mom in a biryani challenge, and I'm proud to say that thumbs up. So in addition to that, I was matlab this like reading novels was another thing. Reading books was another thing. And one thing I would like to add is how Kavya mentioned about plant therapy. I would like to introduce dog therapy. So dog therapy, the key on that, just another word that's there. So if you're stressed, if you're lonely, what can you do? You can't do anything, right? So why not go and pet some dogs? You can. My friend has a dog. I used to go every day to his house just to be near the dog. Pet him, just play with him and stuff. And once his mom even told me that I stay at his home more than he stays at his home. So that was also one thing. And yeah, so dog therapy is also an amazing thing that anyone can do. And obviously Rahao was the cherry on the cake. So yeah.
So, as Simajit mentioned about his skills, learning new skills that helped him overcome his challenges, my challenges of overthinking and managing my emotions, I could come up with my challenges, of course, with my solutions, which were learning new skills first. Because when we try and learn something new, हमारा जो दिमाग होता है it totally goes into that place. वो उस वर्क में हमारा दिमाग काम करना शुरू हो जाता है. All the energy which is there, which is stored in our body, now is getting used productively. तो वो दिमाग नेगेटिव साइड पे नहीं जाता and it comes towards the positive side, which is productivity. So that was one thing which helped me. And whenever we are productive, हम वो negative चीजों के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है. We tend to forget all the negative things. We are like, हाँ अभी तो इतना अच्छा कर रहा हूँ मैं, क्या negative सोच के क्या करूँगा मैं. And such things came into my mind. And these skills can be any of the skills that we already have. It's only that we need to discover those skills within ourselves. All of us present here have our own unique skills. For some, it may be art, some it may be drawing, for some it may be speaking, dance, music, anything. But it's just that we need to discover our skill, and that can be done anytime. And that skill can help us overcome our challenges, I feel. And another thing which was emotional stability. I couldn't manage my emotions. That was Rahao which taught me that I need to find out where I'm getting triggered. कौन सी चीज है, कौन सा ऐसा एक डायलॉग है किसी का जो मुझे गुस्सा दिला रहा है, कौन सी चीज मुझे सैड कर रही है. सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन, एज सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, that things, such such rules I created for myself कि हाँ मुझे कोई ऐसा बोलेगा तो मुझे ऐसा react करना है. All this self awareness and everything helped me so much to come up with my emotions that even today I can say कि हाँ मैंने कुछ सीखा है lockdown में because of Rahao and even because of the skills which I learned. Finally, I would say I would like to tell you all about the seva, as all of us here have done something or the other as a seva selfless service, which made me like forget all the worries that I have. My seva was teaching Punjabi to toddlers, to tiny tots, those small cute kids who used to come to my class, online learning and online teaching them. I used to teach Punjabi to them and teaching them how to mute yourself, unmute, hide your video and such things. It was so much fun. They used to, make me smile, the cute smiles on their faces, the games which they used to demand, आज ये खेलें, आज वो करें, आज ये video दिखा दो, आज ये करा दो. All of that, even it kept me busy, and it always kept me like I was joyful at that moment when I had those kids with me. So this was something which really helped me overcome with all my challenges. Thank you.
Yeah, so like everyone said about the seva. So during the lockdown, I was doing the online Kidi Sangat. And it was a first and like a first experience for me for taking online Kidi Sangat. And it was a amazing experience. Like ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਖਾਣਾ online was a new like ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ mute ਕਰਨਾ unmute as Gurmeher said ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ demand ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ games ਵਾਸਤੇ everything ਸਾਖੀ. And ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਰ close ਹੋਇਆ while teaching and telling them the Sakhi and the learning from that I could impact in my life also by the Guru Mats and the Gurbani while teaching young kids. So Kidi Sangat होया तो every Sunday ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ and I used to be like हाँ करना हैगा miss एक बार भी नहीं करांगा because the Sangat was there and I could connect with myself with the Sangat. So एक easy and second one to say like during the lockdown as I told you about the emotion stability and like I was facing like angriness, the different situation हो रही थी mind में. I'm to tell you like मेरे ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ तो मैं अपने दोस्तों ਨੂੰ अपने family members और अपने brother ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਸੀ अपने dad ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਸੀ कि I'm facing these problems and when I used to share my problems तो solution मिलता ਸੀ that I could take and impact myself like किस तरह करना है ਮੈਨੂੰ and I want to tell everyone कि कद भी आप जी ਨੂੰ feel ਹੁੰਦਾ so you should share because share जब करोगे ਤੁਸੀਂ अपने close ones ਦੇ ਨਾਲ you will feel like वो जो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ideas देंगे ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ solutions देंगे it's a true solutions जो आप जी ਨੂੰ impact करेगा. And the third thing was basically Rahao. Like everyone said about the Rahao, but really Rahao changed me. Like I was the like judgmental person, like कुछ भी हाँ judge करना उस बंदे ਨੂੰ. पर एक Rahao ने कहना लक्ष्मण रेखा बनाती साढ़े mind ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ कि ਇਹਦੇ ਪਾਰ नहीं जाना. Like you have to be at that time. Like साढ़े mind ਨੂੰ इतना mindful करता उन्हें कि like ਹੁਣ मैं जब judgmental होने की कोशिश करता कि कुछ ਹੁੰਦਾ है. So I'd say take a Rahao. I was like Rahao लेना. Don't overthink because Rahao ne actually changed all of our life. So yeah, this was my solution.
So for me, it was spending quality time with my family. So being busy within our lives, it was difficult to take out time for each other. Brought me closer to my family. So we would often used to spend hours playing board games such as Ludo, etc. And we also tried our hands on different cuisines. And like other people do, you must have seen the stories and status of all the people in the lockdown. We all did this, and we also used to hear kirtan and katha sitting together. It was a time to cherish. And getting bored and irritated day by day, Rahao came as a much needed pause. As I learned a lot from it, and the Rahao internship, which changed me. For me, it was made me. I learned a lot of new skills, which I know in the future also.
So if we see in a nutshell, let's see, when we're talking about the solutions, these solutions are from Guru Nanak Dev Ji's lens, and we talked about Rahao also here. So if we see, we focused on one thing, to have a routine, to do something that we like, not just dekh rahe social media te ho rahe. And secondly, if I see that one thing which helped all of us was connecting with Sangat again. The Rahao course was one way, Seva, Kitty Sangat, or whatever platform it was, to connect with Sangat, it was very important. And there's a very beautiful tuk by Guru Ramdas ji, ki bin paga sat sang na labbe, bin sangat mel parije jiyo. So if I talk about the literal meaning, it means ki without fortune, you don't find sangat. The sangat de bina tode ch bahut mel hundi hai. But if I see the relevance of it, ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ challenges ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ. So what exactly were the challenges we were facing? ਉਹਦਾ ਇੱਕ cause ਇਹ ਸੀਗਾ that the lockdown happened, our plans got cancelled. We are used to planning every day, controlling everything we do. ਤੇ when it wasn't happening, ਉਹ ਇੱਕ layer anxiety ਦੀ, uncertainty ਦੀ, fear ਦੀ, ਇੱਕ ਕਰਕੇ ਵੱਧਦੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ. That is the mail which I see started, shun off ਹੁੰਦੀ ਗਈ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ we started connecting with the Sangat. And it holds very true in this case. Sangat has helped all of us come out of it and is still helping us, come better in a better way. It will take us ahead also. And talking about Guru Nanak Dev Ji, his three principles we know have been Naam Japo, Van Ke Chako, Te Kirt Karo. If we see in some way or the other, we're all trying to, inculcate some part of it. Is sub which, if we see, Jinnah, if on a personal level, Jinnah Gurbani nu vichar ke samjha, Jinnah, even if I made a routine, ki, I'll do this part. And this lockdown, if we see, one blessing was that we had enough time to do this. Sanu ਇੱਥੇ ਜੁੜਨ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ time ਮਿਲਿਆ, which I think was the blessing, just disguise, which was the blessing in disguise for me. So somewhere or the other, we were all trying to inculcate these principles of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And wherein this whole world currently is finding a vaccine to COVID, we have found our own vaccine, if I say in a nutshell, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. And with all, gratefulness to Rahao, it has been life-changing. And to all the viewers who are watching, if they want to know anything about the Rahao course and any detail they want, it's all given in the description link. The courses, the Game of Life website, the link hega, the contact number if they want to contact and get in touch, it's their official number. You'll find it all there. And I'd like to thank our panelists for coming out and giving us their valuable time and sharing their experiences and helping us see how seeing things from Guru Nanak's lens has helped us and is helping us. Thanking our mentors, Arjot Penji, Avneet Penji, Jasjeet Viji and Simran Penji. You have been guiding us and we know that you will still guide us till whatever time we want. You are there and we can always rely upon you. Thank you so much for that. And thank you everybody. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.